Hello everyone, welcome to Ascendant Beauty. Today we are going to discover how I create the look of my eyebrows, and I hope you enjoy this video. Of course, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions or just want to comment on my style of makeup. Feel free. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Okay, so I'm going in with a concealer, and this is a flat edge brush, and I'm shaping out my eyebrows, and this will determine how high my arch is. The lighter shade concealer will also play as a highlight for my eyebrows. Now I have very sparse eyebrows, so I really don't focus on the smaller hair that I have towards the end of my brow. I just create my own shape using the concealer and the flat edge brush. And I've already put foundation, primer, and all that stuff on. Okay, so this is the shape that I'm going for. And now I'm just kind of sharpening, making it more cleaner application. All right, so I've already done one eye. So using a concealer and a flat edge brush, I'm going in and creating the shape that I want my eyebrow arch to be. And the reason why I'm using a lighter shade concealer is because it's gonna also be my eyebrow highlight. I really have sparse, very thin, sparse brows, so I really don't feel the need to necessarily lay down my natural eyebrow hair, because you could barely see them anyway. Now I'm just going back to clean up my application. I start from the middle of my nose, the bridge of my nose, because I feel like it helps me achieve how high or low my arch is going to be. And now I'm just making sure that it's nice and clean. And also making sure that both of the brows, both of the areas I shaped are pretty much similar. Not necessarily identical, but just similar enough to pull off a set of brows. I know I'm talking all choppy, but I'm also trying to concentrate. My eyebrows take the most concentration. All right, so we go ahead and blend that out with the blue. This beauty blender is this is the beauty blender I use to apply my foundation. So I'm just blending the concealer out into my foundation. And this will be also, if I were to put on eyeshadow, this will be a great base, eyeshadow base that I could use with the concealer. Okay, so now that we have the shape of our brows, I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying the rest of my face until I get to the point where I'm going to apply my eyebrows, the actual product that creates my brows. Stay tuned. All right, so we got to the part where we're going to apply our brows. And I'm still not done with my makeup. I still got to do my lashes, clearly, my lipstick, and of course set it with some setting spray. So I'm using the brow pen by Anastasia, and this is in shade Chocolate, and it is very fine tip. And that's what you need, a very fine tip, because we're going to create our own hair strokes. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in shade Chocolate, and this is the brow pen. Just want to reiterate that just in case I didn't clear all parts of the title and product. All right, so you see I still have, even though I applied additional products, additional powders on my face, you can still see the line that I created with the concealer on my brow. So starting from the inner part of my brow, I'm just going to create light hair strokes using the pen. And I might go silent a couple of times because this is I like to concentrate on this part. And I'm just doing the hair strokes right above the concealer area that we shaped out for the shape of our brows. And I'm just doing light hair strokes with the pen and filling it in all areas so it could look like it's a full brow. Now, I want to show where I feel like I need to clean up. There's I don't know if you can see it, but I came below that line using the concealer. So I'm just going to go back with the leftover concealer on my brush and clean it up. Now it's gone. So I create the strokes to about halfway on the top of my eye before I complete the shape of the brow. And I do that on both sides. Just creating the light hair strokes. Starting from the base where the concealer is shaping the brow and just brushing up lightly. All right, so staying with the same product, now I'm gonna complete the arch of my brow. I'm gonna go in here, go in towards the inner brow that we created and create my arch. I'm gonna use the side of the pen. I'm using the side of the pen to bring it in. And I'm doing this very lightly. Don't try to avoid being heavy-handed in this area. So we created that fine line, and that's going to be the base of our brow, obviously. Going in towards the inner part of the brow once again. And right below, stay within the hair strokes that were created. And follow that baseline. And just fill it in. Now, you could fill it in with pen, you could fill it in with eyeshadow. You could fill it in with any brow product to complete the look of your brow. But this is the way I currently do it. Sometimes I do use a shadow just to give it a softer appearance. Now I'm just filling in any gaps that I may see. Now our eyebrows are technically complete. However, I like to give a more so natural appearance of the brow. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is a brow set by M.A.C. It's called Girl Boy. You could use any gold mascara will work as well. So what I like to do is, using the hair that I do have on my brows, I like to create like a 3D appearance and take some of the gold mascara and brush it onto my brows. And this also kind of softens the look. All right, so there are our brows, nice and set and complete, and don't have to worry about nothing more, nothing else. This is the shape of our brows, and they're pretty. Now, we all know, and I'm just gonna say it because I'm doing a brow video, that our brows are sisters, not twins. They are fraternal twins, not identical. However you want to say it. Just don't put so much pressure on yourself when creating your brows to be exactly the same. You just want to get them as close to, you know, alike as possible. Now let me go finish my look and I'll be back. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Short, cute, sweet. This is my finished look. And if you have any comments, please feel free to comment on a video, like the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, enjoy the video. All right, until next time, ciao.